Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by focusing on one clear calendar for routines and another for tasks. This separation reduces visual noise and decision fatigue. Open Google Calendar, create calendars, then set a sensible default event length like 15 or 30 minutes so you don't overcommit. Once done, enable mobile and email notifications for a 10-minute alert. Make sure to allow notifications on your phone. Finally, color code each calendar. Consistent colors cue your brain and make scanning easier throughout the day. Next, build predictable structure using time blocking. Create morning, afternoon, and evening chunks and put the most demanding tasks into your high-energy blocks. Add 5 to 15-minute buffer zones between events so transitions don't derail you. Once set, buffers reduce rushing and decision overload. Use recurring events for habits. Label them with clear action verbs like start inbox, 20 min, so you know exactly what to do. Also use color and emojis sparingly to give quick visual cues without cluttering the view. To finish, sync every device and confirm calendar sharing and permission settings. Syncing prevents missed alerts and duplicate entries. Each morning, spend 5 minutes reviewing and adjusting that day's block so expectations match reality. If notifications fail or events disappear, first toggle calendar visibility, then sign out and back in. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall. This often restores proper syncing. Finally, if overwhelm returns, reduce visible calendars to 1 and rebuild gradually so you stay on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.